Champha pialo mazai vori chuni zan khwa kan mangrala limin kan lom nge masimil masipai sang Vawiin thi sen luyang aluang leta lim nui remoi lom na zong te kha dale rum na in Zoleta kan rang nei chu Myanmar long phang su o kan sei len na Myanmar long phang lo la hi le lung ngai na tuar ma ila
heard the news from my cousin calling me and just telling me about it. My heart sunk. This is about the people that are dying. This is about the kids that are being infected with drugs. We don't need that. We don't want that. So let's let our voices be heard, not only in the United States, but in the whole entire world. Thank you.